Struggling to come up with Christmas gift ideas? Don't worry, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll share 20 unique gift ideas from Amazon that are perfect for anyone on your list. I've carefully picked items that are thoughtful, useful, and a little different from the usual presents. I have listed the best options to make your shopping easier. Links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video are in the description below. Make sure to check them out so you can grab the perfect gift without spending hours searching. Let's get started. Scrib 3D 3D Printing Pen. Enjoy limitless creativity with a high-grade 3D pen that improves spatial thinking and artistic skills. Perfect for crafting, repairs, or personalized gifts, it offers a stepless speed function for precision control in detailed or rapid tasks. With an easy-to-use kit including PLA filaments, a power adapter, and stencils, it's beginner-friendly and quick to set up. This tool ensures seamless, continuous filament flow, making 3D designing an effortless and enjoyable experience. Our Pen Airbrush Kit. Achieve intricate designs and bold strokes with a cordless airbrush featuring adjustable pressure and a fine 0.3mm nozzle. Ideal for makeup, nail art, model painting, and DIY projects, it ensures smooth performance and efficient painting. With 3 fluid capacity cups, it adapts to various creative needs. The kit includes cleaning brushes and needles for hassle-free maintenance, making it a reliable choice for both beginners and professionals. Auvon LED Backlit Nightlight. Create a soothing ambience with a backlit nightlight offering diffuse illumination for light-sensitive individuals. Featuring motion and dusk-to-dawn sensors, it adjusts automatically to changing conditions, conserving energy. Customize brightness levels with 5-step or stepless dimming, and enjoy its memory function for convenience. Ideal for bedrooms and hallways, this smart lighting solution blends functionality with comfort, providing perfect nighttime illumination. Novium Hover Pen. Showcase futuristic elegance with a premium pen crafted from aircraft-grade aluminum and zinc alloy. Hovering at a mesmerizing 23.5-degree angle, it doubles as a fidget tool for enhancing focus. Equipped with smooth writing Schmidt cartridges, it's perfect for precision tasks or creative brainstorming. A striking desk centerpiece, this pen is a conversation starter and an excellent gift for innovators and professionals. Eliphas Mini Projector. Deliver vibrant visuals with a pocket-sized projector featuring upgraded HD technology and a German emerald lens. Supporting 1080p and a massive 200-inch screen, it's perfect for entertainment and presentations. This portable device comes with a mini stand, efficient heat dissipation, and a built-in hi-fi speaker, ensuring clear audio and stunning visuals for indoor or outdoor use. Lightweight yet powerful, it's the ultimate travel companion. Joy Energy Tabletop Fountain. Transform your space with a serene tabletop fountain featuring cascading water tears and soothing LED lighting. This decorative piece adds elegance and relaxation to any room, from bedrooms to offices. Crafted from durable poly resin, it mimics the charm of natural waterfalls. Easy to set up, it offers a calming retreat from daily stress, blending nature's beauty with modern functionality. E-Link Smart Fingerprint Padlock. Experience ultimate security with a fingerprint padlock, offering quick 0.1-second unlocking and storage for up to 20 fingerprints. Manage access via user-friendly app, set schedules, and review activity logs. Boasting a year-long battery life and USB charging, this padlock ensures reliability. Its sleek design and advanced features make it perfect for safeguarding belongings at home, the gym, or during travel. ClockTech Nixie Tube Clock. Add a retro-futuristic touch to your decor with a customizable clock featuring RGB lighting and multiple display modes. Switch seamlessly between 12 24-hour formats, set alarms, and use its timer function for versatile daily applications. Wi-Fi connectivity enables precise time calibration and easy adjustments through a mobile app. Whether in a bedroom or office, this clock combines aesthetic charm with practical functionality. Frigidaire Mini Portable Fridge Cooler. Keep drinks, snacks, and skincare items perfectly chilled with a compact mini fridge offering a 10-liter capacity. Its thermoelectric cooling ensures quiet operation, while the sleek stainless steel door adds modern appeal. Lightweight and equipped with a carrying handle, it's ideal for dorms, offices, or travel. Versatile and stylish, this fridge is a must-have for compact and efficient cooling solutions. Aboda Bluetooth shower speaker. Enjoy music anywhere with a waterproof shower speaker offering crystal clear sound and a durable design. Equipped with Bluetooth 5.0, it ensures stable connectivity and hands-free calls up to 33 feet away. A 2000 mAh battery provides extended playback, while vibrant LED light patterns elevate your experience. Floating and resistant to dust and sand, this speaker is perfect for outdoor adventures or relaxing baths. Garden Cube Herb Garden Kit with LED Grow Light. Harvest fresh herbs year-round with an efficient 24-watt LED grow light that simulates sunlight and enhances plant growth. The adjustable panel maximizes illumination and photosynthesis while offering convenient pruning. A quiet water pump provides oxygen and features a water shortage indicator. This hydroponic system ensures faster growth, 5 times quicker than soil, with an easy-to-use setup that controls light cycles automatically, offering modes for vegetables, flowers, and fruits. Dodo LF Pocket Drones. Enjoy stable flights with a 6-axis gyro system and a headless mode that simplifies directional control for new pilots. This drone ensures precise navigation with one-key takeoff and landing, offering ease during low battery or disorientation. Auto-hovering technology keeps the device stable in midair for smooth, hands-free control. Perfect for indoor use, it is designed to provide endless fun while honing flight skills. Lines Life Camp Stove. Crafted from high-quality cast iron for longevity, this camping stove offers efficient burning with 16 air vents and a large combustion chamber for extended use. Its adjustable pot holders accommodate various cookware, while rotatable foldable legs ensure versatility and portability. Ideal for outdoor cooking, it combines practicality and reliability for camping enthusiasts. Fi Series 3 Smart Dog Collar. Monitor your pet's location, activity, and health with live GPS tracking and escape alerts. This durable collar, resistant to water and heavy tugs, provides 24/7 coverage, surpassing typical range limitations. Access sleep, activity, and behavior data via the companion app for actionable insights. Its sleek, user-focused design ensures comfort while maintaining high functionality. GlowQcent USB rechargeable book light. Customize reading with 5 brightness levels and 3 color modes, from eye-friendly amber to detail-focused precise lighting. Evenly distributed illumination reduces eye strain while remaining unobtrusive to others. With USB charging and a long-lasting battery, enjoy uninterrupted reading for weeks. Compact and user-friendly, it's the ideal companion for nighttime readers. iClever Foldable Keyboard. Boost productivity with a Bluetooth-enabled keyboard featuring a responsive touchpad and ergonomic scissor keys. Compact enough to fit in your pocket, it includes a smartphone stand for added convenience. Seamlessly switch between devices across operating systems with multi-device compatibility. Built for durability and precision, it's perfect for on-the-go professionals. Homemader electric knife. Slice with ease using ergonomic design and lightweight construction for handling various foods. 2 stainless steel blades ensure durability and precision, while dishwasher-safe parts simplify cleaning. The low-noise motor allows smooth operation without vibrations, making it ideal for meats, breads, and more. Its extended cable enhances convenience during use. GoCube electronic chessboard game. Real-time light guidance aids in learning and improving chess skills, catering to players of all levels. Adjustable assistance keeps games competitive for any experience range. Play against advanced AI with 32 difficulty levels, or connect online to challenge players worldwide. Enhance learning and enjoyment in every match. Kodak Instant Smartphone Photo Printer. Print instantly from smartphones using Bluetooth or NFC with zero-ink technology for durable, smudge-free photos. A companion app offers editing tools like filters, stickers, and text for customization. Compact and lightweight, it fits in your palm for on-the-go use. Perfect for scrapbooking, decorating, or creating memories anytime. Anoki Galaxy Projector. Transform spaces with vibrant, adjustable starry effects using advanced LED technology. Includes white noise options like ocean waves and soft music to aid relaxation and sleep. Built-in Bluetooth speakers deliver excellent sound quality for an immersive experience. Remote control ensures effortless operation, making it ideal for relaxation or ambiance creation. So, There you go, 20 unique Amazon Christmas gift ideas to make this holiday season unforgettable. Whether you're shopping for family, friends, or that person who has everything, these creative finds are sure to bring smiles and holiday cheer. Make your gift shopping easier and stress-free by checking out the links in the description for the latest prices. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up, share it with your gift shopping crew, and hit that subscribe button and the bell icon to stay in the loop with all our latest content, tips, and reviews. Happy holidays and happy gifting.